I was sent this SUP electric pump, and you use your car to get it to work. It has a nice little storage area for the plug. There's that. We have our plug right here, so I'm just gonna plug that in, and then I'm gonna come over here. It turns it on automatically. I'm gonna set the PSI. This one is going to go to 12 to 15, several different attachments. You're gonna find the one that's right for your equipment, and then you match it up. Go ahead and tug at it a little bit, make sure it can't come out. Hit the button to start, and off it goes. Now, it's not instant. It does take a while, but I love how precise it is with getting to the PSI you need. Okay, we hit our 14.5, and now just gonna take this off, cap it up, and we'll be good to go. And the board is totally inflated. I like how it auto turns off at the PSI you set it for, and then when you're done, it does have the deflate, so you just move this to this, and it will deflate your board in no time. Now go have fun.